So after 2 days I got a call from the Apsara committee who run the Angkor Park, and I got my pass. Now it is just printed out on a piece of paper, so I took a photo on my phone. But driving into the Angkor Archaeological Park, this real sense of freedom, happiness, never have to pay to come here again. So we're going to now explore Ta Prohm, which I've only been to one time before, so this is an amazing day, a moment of simplistic happiness. So let's have a look. Just stopped off Prasat Prayoduk, which is one of the more lesser visited temples here. Very quiet, just alone, just peaceful. After having a quick drive around, sit down in one of the local restaurants, had a bite to eat, same price actually that you'd get in Siem Reap. It makes you realise you could so easily just come here, bring a book, bring a sketch pad and relax, and that's something I need to be giving myself some time to relax. Absolutely nice attempt. Very nice. Now to go up all the steep steps. Yay. To the top of this one, amazing view overlooking the canopy. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful. This is day one of having that free Angkor pass. Good day. So to make sure that we're clear, in order to get your free Angkor pass and be able to visit these amazing temples whenever you like, you must have paid for 2 years of visas. I've only lived here 1 year and 7 months as of recording this, paid for that year visa, which has now surpassed that 2-year visa point. You go to the Angkor ticket office, sit down, side table, and give your passport, give 2 photos, and it's completely free. So the next thing I want to be doing is doing a bird's eye view painting of each temple. That's what I'm going to be doing now, and let you guys join me as I go through some books, enjoy the temples. Yeah, Cambodia has just leveled up, so come out your shell, find simplistic happiness. I found it this morning. Bye.